So hello, I'm going to show you the proper way of installing a driver in PC. So first we need to go to search bar and click or search control panel. After that, click hardware and sound, then click device manager. After that, follow the simple steps.